Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 23rd of January, March. It's April. It's I'm getting an April vibe, okay? Somebody might name April. Getting somebody by the name of April. I never trust a choose named after a month. Anyways, Virgo. So we talked about it this morning. We talked about the whole star card. We also talk about the elections. So CP24 giving us the latest when it comes down to news and what's happening in Canada has dropped who are the primary players for the 2025 Canadian federal elections. As you know, Justin Trudeau had stepped down. He is attending to Xavier and other things. Okay, he's going through a divorce. He wants to date now. All right, so for whatever reasons, rumors are going around that he still has not really and truly talked about the whole expensive vacation he took, but he stepped down. So now we are going into a new cycle, so we can blame new people, okay? Justin Trudeau, he was wearing the pink, at least he wear the pink before him leave the office. Joe. Anyways, so CP24 has dropped the primary players. Now I will be using some of the voices because I don't know the names. I don't know how to pronounce the names properly. So you can copyright me. It's okay.
Mark Kearney, let's start.
Mark Kearney. So Mark Kearney is in the race, all right? He is a former Bank of the Canada governor. When I also Google Mark Kearney, he's the Prime Minister of Canada right now. He took over ownership from Justin Trudeau, okay? Now, he's also the governor of the Bank of England. And Canada already ruled under the British colony, yeah. So, he has British experience as well as, according to CP24, he's a former Bank of Canada governor. He's also the former Bank of England governor, right? And he's married with 4 children. Okay, so moving on, another player was
he was for
Pierre.
The leader. He is married with 4 children as well. He will square off against the leader of the federal conservatives, Pierre Poilievre.
Okay, we talked about Pierre Water. We talked about this already. So Pierre has criticized Justin Trudeau for multiple years. Anyways, he's a former Minister of State of Democratic Reform, former Minister of Employment and Social Development. Well, I'll tell you something, Pierre. I've been homeless in the so-called social system for 5 years and I can't get a job. I can't get no proper training. I'm a social worker. All them do is transfer my file to over and over again and duplicate my name in the system. I have a member ID number with a 0 ending and I have a member ID number with an A at the ending. So you've been doing a horrible job when it comes down to employment and social development. Nevertheless, you are married with 2 children. Your marriage went on, mine failed, so you have been a success. So Pierre is another candidate running, all right? Who else?
About 2 decades, is married with 2 children.
Married with 2 children.
In the House of Commons for about 2 decades at this point.
Yves-François Blanchet. No, he is Quebecois. We are glad because the Quebecois are trying to dominate a type of independence from Canada. Quebec do have their own flag. Okay, now he has 1 daughter. He is new to the game. Okay, he graduated from the University of Montreal and he's a former Quebec MLA. Now, I'll be very honest, Mr. Blanchet, you should have run for mayor, not prime minister. This is not your run. This is not your run. I haven't heard him speak before. Very attractive man. But was he ever mayor? Let me look. Yves-François Blanchet, okay? Okay, he has led the Bloc Québécois since 2019 when I came to Canada. I had a terrible experience in Quebec, sir. So if you were responsible for me, I came to Quebec February the 22nd, 2019. So that horrible time I had in Quebec, I'm going to blame it on you, sir. So I am not advocating for you. You are born April the 14th, strong Aries placement. So him is a leader. I don't feel like him have enough. I don't feel like him have enough. It's one thing to be in Montreal. You see, when you come over to the other places, Winnipeg, Manitoba, New Brunswick, Saskatchewan, right? When you come over to these places, you have to understand the English culture. You see, my teachers, when I was going to Saint Lacorde, right, in Chateauguay, my teacher said to me, if I comprends le langue français, if I understood how to speak French, I would understand the culture. And I told her, you can't understand the culture just by the language. Because some people don't speak the language, but them in the culture. That's why so many people backpack to so much weird countries in weird places, but them feel united to these foreign people. Anyways, I do not feel like this is his run. He is a member of the House of Commons, not commoners. Get it out of your head, Vanessa. You were royal in a past life. This life, you poor as fuck. Okay, just for now, okay? Anyways, who else are we? We are also
from foe of both the J of Montreal. He has been an often foe of both the Liberals and the Conservatives in the House of Commons, remain kind of like a dominant force there. Recently, public opinion polls show that the Bloc, though, has taken a hit in the province of Quebec, when Mark Carney assumed the leadership of the party. So Quebec will be a hot spot to watch.
Quebec is a hot spot since I was there. I was terrible. Drop down, police take advantage of me, all type of blood clot things happen. Them lock me out in the snow, make me walk through this big hospital with bare police line up. Them was nasty to me down there. I am not advocating for him. Next.
Sort of three-way race or four-way race in some places as well. Next up, we've got Jagmeet Singh. He's the leader
Jagmeet Singh. No, we on a, so he's been confidence and supply agreement in 2022. He's a former Ontario MPP. He's married with 2 children. No, I'll be very honest with you. And this may have nothing to do with these men's ability to lead. There's something attractive, and I know where I might go with this. There's something that speaks a leader when a man is married with 4 children. The other one, them have 2. I am glad. But remember, I don't know, I'm not a guy, but if I was a guy, since I am a girl, this is what I'm thinking when I think about men. You went back at least 4 times to the woman you married. Now, I don't know if there's any type of cheating allegations on his side. That's the only thing what will ruin you guys. Because you notice all of these men who are running, why are they mentioning that they're married? What does their relationship status have to do with them running a country? Because there's something trustworthy, not only trustworthy about a married man, but there's something trustworthy about a man who can choose one woman he want to have sex with. There's something, rappers, you don't get to stardom rapping when you're married. You have to be single. When you're in those certain type of fields, you have to be single. Acting fields, you have to act like you're single. Which is why, that may not have launched for me as properly. But anyways, okay, politics, this is different now. We don't want a body. We don't want no type of people who have influence or status. We don't care where your father or mother come from. What is the significance of mentioning that these men are married? All of them married. None is single. None is divorced. Or if they were divorced, they married again. Right? None of them have multiple wives. Because if we saw anything about any type of men running for office and them had married to 2 women with 4 children, that would not be a man you want to sit in office. So please excuse me if I trust a man's intelligence and a man's demeanor and what a man can do for a woman and leading a country and leading a family based on if he's monogamous or not. So you don't tell me that I have to settle for a man who wants to go around the block and whatever him stand up to. Anyways, I am advocating for Mr. Mark Carney. Carney, you're close to Carby. C-A-R-B-Y. Carney, C-A-R-N-E-Y. So I am advocating. Hi, my name is Vanessa Carby. You may know me as V Carby. You may know me as the Hierophant Guru, Jacronium the Alien. You know my face. So I am a proud permanent resident of Canada since February 22nd, 2022. And I cannot vote when it comes on to the political federal elections, but I am nominating and I am advocating for Mr. Mark Carney, former Bank of Canada governor, former Bank of England governor, and he's married with 4 children. I like that number. I like the number 4. 4 is cancer, 4 is stability, 4 is the home. I actually was hearing him speak to, and he's talking about the fact that Trump looked like him want Canada to bow to him. And it's okay. We understand how he would think that. I mean, his wife is Melania. Hello? We could understand why he felt like he could get his own way. But let me tell you, Canada is not for sale. Canada will be great again. Now, when was Canada great? Maybe when the natives were here. But this is 2025. Canada will be the country that people want to come, work, build a foundation, and start a family, all while happily giving back to the government to support its own people in times of distress. Because let's be honest, Canada ain't the first to pick a fight. Canada is not the first to pick up. Anybody who pick fight with we, yes, we may have permanent residency, and it don't expire. I'm gonna renew it. Them renew it for me. I have 5 more years to go, hoes, right? I am proudly advocated for Mark Carney, who is taking over from Mr. Trudeau, Justin Trudeau. Where is Xavier? I have not seen him. Is he active? What's happening with him? Is he going to college? But let me, Mr. Trudeau, what is happening? Also, Mark Carney, your birth chart has already been done. So I should say, as a political leader, I know some people will bash astrology and tarot readings. Astrotheme.com, your birth chart has already been created. So just know, even if you don't believe in astrology, there were people out there who wanted to know when you were born, where you were born, your time of birth, and your first and last name, and they created a chart for you because I didn't have to do it for you. Okay? You will find below the horoscope of Mark Carney, politician. So Mark Carney is a Pisces with a Virgo moon. I'm doing Virgo's reading. So this is your thoughts. He is dominating in Venus, which is love. Him have 4 kids. I mean, you have to love your wife if you had 4. I mean, you have 4? Whoa. God, if I ever have kids, even if I adopt, I hope I find a man to adopt 4 with me. Can you imagine some man have 1 and said, no, I'm not doing it again. You have to wait. I have to focus on me right now. He had 4. That seemed, his birth path number says it's 4. Now, Mark is a number 7. So that's usually him very secretive. He is so-called 5'9". 5'9" is the new 6'3". You need to know that. What else? Yeah, he's a Pisces. So Virgos, Pisces. His moon is Virgo. His sun is Pisces. So he was already nominated. I don't think I have to say that, but I am advocating for Mr. Mark Carney. We did the reading this morning. You heard the aggression. You know how I look when I'm angry. Let's go. Let's go ahead and go into your messages. Virgo. We have the 3 of Cups coming out first. Now, the 3 of Cups is usually celebration. Okay, so I'm getting something about there's something about a meeting you guys going to have. There's a meeting / dinner before. Okay, so I know the race is April 28th. I'm having a thing in April, and Mark has also called for the advocacy of having this election in April during the whole fact of Canada merging with the US. And just remember, people, Canada, before, at least, Canada has a leaf on it. America have stars. You notice? America flag have a stars. Statue of Liberty. Canada, there's significance with the leaf. Does maple leaf only grow here? When I have to stay independent. To sell your country is to sell the riches in your country. That's why nobody wanted to buy Africa. But everybody take a plane and everybody visit Africa to steal the Africa's riches and went back to them country. So just don't be like us and just keep your independence. Let's go. By the Three of Cups. The Three of Cups is a meeting. Alright. We're getting celebration here. We have the Six of Cups. Six of Swords. We also have the Queen of Cups. And we have the Six of Pentacles. Okay, I'm getting something about a woman here. There's something about a ball meet. I'm getting a event, suit and tie, people. I'm getting a fancy event, a political event that you're going to. I'm getting you're going to go to this event with a woman. I'm getting the woman is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. She's going to be missing. I'm not sure. I'm getting a woman you're connecting to. I don't know if whoever in politics, whoever I'm reading, whoever one of the 4 candidates, I'm getting your wife is paid for bringing back information to some people. I don't know if your wife is a Cancer. Is your wife a Cancer? She could be a Pisces or Scorpio. I'm getting something about you went to an event with this woman and you were around the room and you were talking to people and the person who you bring them just missing all of a sudden. You can't find them, you don't see them. I'm getting something about a deal that was made. So also you need to be careful because I'm getting the slander or anything you're doing in your past as it relates to women, them are going to try to bring up. I'm not sure if somebody's coming to somebody and say, hey, you want to pay this money if there was any infidelity allegations. I'm getting them want to buy secrecy. Him is a 6, okay, if we talk, okay, let me not say that. I'm getting you went somewhere with this woman and she's just missing and you couldn't find her. It's like a dinner, a banquet. And you couldn't find her for some reason. She went missing. I'm getting she went to talk to somebody. Something about selling secrets, selling information. I'm getting someone's born on the 6th. They could be born on the 3rd as well. We have the King of Cups. Yeah, that's you. So I'm also getting King of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Yes, something at this event. It could be something about you and women. Because this is 3 women here with a man. That's what, it no matter what religion tell you. I'm not give a fuck what your blood clot book want tell you. Your Ross clot book, right? But if it translates in a different language, I can't blood clot read it. I am sorry. I don't care what your book want tell you. Your book I tell you say if I have 3 women, not the Canadian government if you want to be Prime Minister. Not the Canadian government if you want to be mayor. You think you're gonna be in you think you're gonna sit in anybody's seat having 2 women? What you think this is? You think you're gonna sit down in any type of political powerful seat and you have 3 wives? Stay over there with your book and your brainwash religion. Don't bring that into the House of Commons. Six of Swords is clarified by the King of Pentacles. Now we have something about a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn man, right? Queen of Cups is clarified by the 7 of Pentacles, and the 6 of Pentacles is clarified by the Angel. That's Sagittarius. I'm getting this Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. Like, she'll sell your secrets? Or she'll give... I don't know. I'm getting she'll give your name to a private investigator for watch you, for follow you. But Sagittarius is a protection here. I'm getting one woman come to you and offer you to sell somebody's secrets. I feel like the person who should sell the secret to, them was protecting you. I'm getting is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman that's around you. She'll sell you. Or she'll sell your information. She'll sell your secrets. I'm getting something about a competitor of yours. No, your moon sign, no, okay, I don't want to specifically talk about who I'm trying to connect to, but if your moon sign is Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, me getting also something about you had to go away for a long vacation. Me getting you love the water, you love your boat. And me getting even when you go on business trips, right? Me getting there's a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man around you. There's a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn man around you. Me getting you and this man will go up on this yacht or this boat or go out. Me getting something about him pay. Me getting a lot of girls would be on this yacht or boat. And they will be around you and you would be like, hey, what's up, you cool? But me getting the man who own it or the man who you got there with, him talking to this woman who, me don't know if it's your wife, me don't know if somebody who work for you. Like, me don't know, there's something about she's supposed to sell secrets. This man going to help her catch some pictures of you. And then she going to bring it back. Me getting the angel is here though. The angel also has a triangle. Because me getting somebody going to try to sell you out because they want to be a celebrity. They want to be a star. Being a star is being very, very humble. Yeah, there's a difference between being a famous celebrity and being in politics. I don't know if you thought your religion was going to get you in politics. Or maybe you should have thought more about it, because maybe you was using the book to get you into politics. For sure, you're a religious man. You're a religious man with 2 wives. You're an unmarried religious man. You're a religious man who's going around fornicating with 3 different women who don't know each other. You could not sit down in the, you think a single man could have sit down there? You think when CP24 was sending that news reporter to see what was happening, you think CP24 would have said that this man, what is this behavior? There's a reason why them send a man them married. There is trustworthiness with a woman who can stay to one man, or at least tell the government that she was. There's something trustworthy about a man. Him not only married, he married with 4 kids. That mean 4 times? What is it? In love? You see, some kids are born out of spite. Some kids are born out of lust. Some kids are born out of business arrangements and business terms and agreements. And you have some kids who just born out of love. I like the number 4. I feel like that's a protection number. Yeah, Virgo, your moon. I am advocating for Mr. Mark Carney, who has 4 children. Virgo, this is your reading. Virgo, you confirmed. And Mr. Mark Carney's moon sign is Virgo. His sun sign is Pisces. They have your birth chart here, sir. So even if you don't believe in what I do, there's other people who's investigating your chart. It's for a reason. Virgo. We have Leo, okay? So Leo is entertainment. Leo is also law enforcement officers, okay? So this could also be talks about your security, who will be beside you. We have political agenda. I am advocating for Virgo. The moon sign Virgo. Because I know the moon sign Virgo will get it right, yeah. So for the, for the federal elections, is that what it is? Let me try to go back. Yeah, for the Canadian federal elections.
Mark Carney, let's start with him.
Yeah, Mark Carney.
He is the newly...
Oh, he's the newly, yeah. I'm advocating for Mark Carney. We have mental health, and he is also talking about the fact that Canadians need to stay Canadian. Not only to always say after every sentence, but to support local Canadian businesses. And I know that people, and he also said in his speech that when he was younger in his generation, you could work hard, but you got ahead. And you know what he also said? He said the younger ones are working even harder. than him did work, and them still can't make ends meet. That's why the younger ones have so much mental health problems. Them cannot make ends meet. And if they do make ends meet, it is at what sacrifice? Because these younger ones ain't having 4 kids with one woman. You think these younger ones decide to get married and the woman is having 4 kids for one man? These younger ones have 3-4 baby daddies. They're not Mark Carney and his wife. And that's why these younger ones are like that. Because the more power you have, you see there's people around you who don't have money. So you take advantage of them. Back in those type of days when you could have worked one job, support a wife, and support your living, you only wanted one woman. Now you have the option of 3 different 4 women because everybody poor. And you made it out. Political agenda. We have Sagittarius again. There's a Sagittarius around you. There's an angel around you. Okay? Me getting you have protection. You have peace of mind. Do not worry. We just had the angel here. See here? That's a Temperance. Don't worry. We're getting you protected. One more. And we have MK Ultra. We're getting something about your past. I'm going to try to bring up something about your past. Don't. It's okay. It's cool. I'm going to leave it here, Virgo. Until next time, remember you are protected. You are protected by the Masons. Until next time. Bye.